Darren and Alyssa Tan are looking forward to welcoming their first child next week. They've tried for 4 years and finally conceived via IVF. Their timing is spot on. Singapore's just introduced over $1 billion worth of help for young families, all in the hope of boosting the country's declining birth rate.
It's really not just about the money, because I think in taking care of a family, there's really more cost. What we're given right now is to help out in the first few years, and I guess the rest is up to us to continue providing for the family.
But they don't typify a lot of other Singaporean citizens, many of whom are choosing not to have a family. For them, issues such as the cost and the impact on their careers are just too high a price to pay.
Singapore has amongst the lowest birth rates in the world. According to official statistics, Singaporeans haven't been replacing themselves since 1975. And if the authorities didn't let in immigrants, the population will start to decline in just about a decade. And that will have a wide-ranging impact on economic growth, tax revenues, healthcare costs and immigration policies.
Even though incentives have been in place for years, they've had little effect. Now the baby bonus has been doubled to nearly $5,000, and maternity, paternity, medical cover and even access to public housing have been broadened. But the jury's out on whether these will be enough of a carrot to encourage Singaporeans to have babies.
I think it does help, but probably not to a very large extent.
I have no complaints. But then again, I don't think these measures are, as he said, the reasons for us to have children.
I've had my 3 kids, I've done my part, and I think it's about time. We should have done it sooner than later.
The new measures still lag behind benefits available to many Europeans, but it does put Singapore ahead of its Asian counterparts. And if it works, then many other countries in the region may also start trying to buy their own baby boom. Sharon Jeet Leil, BBC News, Singapore.